Welcome to TechTia TV. This is Arun Bhatia from the Department of Management, here to deliver a lecture on marketing applications in the insurance industry. Now, insurance industry is a sector, which is fast booming. People, they get insured. Insurance, many people, they have different perspectives. They think insurance, insurance wala aa gaya, so that means he's going to take out some money from you. But that is not the fact. The fact is that you are getting insured. If you are not there, then the people who are left behind, they are financially not insecure. So when you are not there, people who are dependent upon you does not have that financial burden on themselves. So this is the basic idea as to why insurance is done. Now, insurance are of two types. One is life insurance, one is general insurance. Life insurance covers the life of a person, and general insurance covers the other parameters like your car insurance, your bike insurance, your household insurance, your refrigerator getting insured, your mobile phones getting insured, your laptops getting insured. So when there is, when a car is stolen, or when the car meets with an accident, there is some financial backup. The insurance company gives you the guarantee that in case of any mishappening, the insurance company will pay the damages. This is also done in the case of life insurance. So when the person is not there, he's not alive, and he suddenly expires, the company is there looking after after his family members. So what are the marketing applications? Whenever a policy is sold to a customer, the company undertakes a guarantee that for a 2 lakh rupee sum assured, when the person expires, the company pays 2 lakh rupees to the nominee of the person. 2 lakh rupees nowadays is a very small amount. People go in for larger amounts. They get insured. They get insured for larger amounts ranging from 10 lakhs to 20 lakhs, depending upon how much worth they think about themselves. So for a 10 lakh policy, and let's say after paying premium for the first 2 years, suddenly the person expires. So the organization, they take the responsibility that once the person is not there, even if he has not paid for the entire 10 lakh rupees, whatever premiums that he had paid for, they give 10 lakh rupees to the immediate nominee of the person. What are the challenges, which these insurance companies face? The challenges that these insurance companies face is the amount that they have to shell out from their pockets, when such kind of mishappenings happens. Many insurance companies, they are into mergers. They tie up with the foreign companies like Bajaj Alliance, So Bajaj on one hand and Alliance, a German group, on the other hand, they tie up together, to float an organization called Bajaj Alliance. Now the Bajaj Alliance is naturally into the general insurance. So they insure your vehicles, your property, your movable properties, your house, your pen, even your Parker pen can be insured, your mobile phones, your laptops, your refrigerator, your washing machine. The challenge now in front of the organization is that whenever that such kind of mishappening happens, they have to shell out the agreed price from their own company's account. Now, for this all to happen, the companies needs to first understand that they need to have that financial backup, in their own personal account, so that if in such kind of a mishappening stage, they are able to pay to the customers. Because once they decline paying to the customers, then the customers will make a fire. They will create a fire in the market, and the company will lose on most of its business. Insurance industry actually runs on a pooling activity. That means the number of people, they agree upon, that they are going to pay a premium of 1200 rupees. Let's say in a community, in a residential community, it houses, 100 customers. So 100 customers each, every person, pools out, let's say 1200 rupees, as a premium, for a particular insurance. Now one out of those 100 cases, whenever the need arises, the other 99 people, they are going to pay collectively to that person. This is how the insurance industry functions. All this needs is a lot of challenge, a lot of commitment to run this show. To conclude, I would like to say that insurance industry is a very challenging industry. It's a very promising industry. Every person gets insured, every person insures its movable property, but all it requires is a proper financial backup, a lot of commitment that the company is going to pay to the customers after any eventuality arises. Thank you so much and keep watching Technia TV.